Two ways are there to explain the formation of molecular ion. First, I'll explain the formation of molecule, and in that molecule I will add electron if charge on the molecular ion is negative, or remove the electron if charge on the molecular ion is positive.
MO diagram for oxygen molecule we have studied separately. But here the MO diagram for oxygen is represented. Purpose is to describe the O2 plus, O2 minus and O2 minus 2. These are the ions which we can obtain from oxygen molecule. If you read the MO diagram for oxygen, you will find in sigma 2s2 electrons, sigma star 2s2 electrons, sigma 2 pz2, pi 2 px and pi 2 pi 4 electrons, pi star 2 px, pi star 2 pi, each orbital has 1 electron, and sigma star 2 pz, no electrons. Two ways are there to describe the ions. Consider the basic MO diagram for the molecule, and from that remove those many electrons or add those many electrons and find bond order and magnetic property. Means our focus will be to describe the bond order and magnetic property of each of the species. Oxygen discussion we did. What about O2 plus, O2 minus and O2 minus 2? If you consider O2 plus, positive ion means removal of electron or add of electron. Removal of electron. From these all electrons in the molecular orbitals, you have to remove one electron. Then from which orbital will you remove electron? Of course, outer orbital. Which are those? Pi star 2px and pi star 2py. These two are outer orbital. So from any orbital remove one electron. That will be the electronic configuration of O2 plus. So in antibonding pi to px orbital, there will be the one electron. What will be the bond order? In case of oxygen, in antibonding orbitals, 4 electrons were there. Now 3 electrons will be there. So 8 minus 3 divided by 2. So 2.5. Bond order for O2 plus will be higher than that of the O2. Means O2 plus from bond strength point of view is stronger than that of the O2. So stability of O2 plus is expected to be larger than that of the O2. What about magnetic property? In case of oxygen, 2 unpaired electrons are there. In case of O2 plus, there will be only 1 unpaired electron. Means it will be also paramagnetic. That's the purpose to show here MO diagram for oxygen molecule. If I talk about O2 minus, minus sign means electron is accepted, electron is received, electron is added. So in which orbital electron will be added? Means what I wanted to say, oxygen molecule has 16 electrons and those 16 electrons we have distributed. Suppose if 17th electron comes, then where will it enter? Yes, it will pair in pi star to px orbital. So in antibonding pi star to px 2 electron and pi star to py, there will be 1 electron. On the basis of that electronic configuration, let us find or let us calculate its bond order. Total bonding orbital electrons have not changed. Those will be 8. Antibonding orbital electron is added relative to the orbitals of oxygen. So in antibonding orbitals now 5 electrons are there. So what will the bond order? 8 minus 5 divided by 2. 1.5. This bond order decrease compared to oxygen. How many unpaired electrons will be there? 1 unpaired electron. So it will be paramagnetic or diamagnetic? Paramagnetic. See, in case of O2 plus, bond order was increased by 0.5 and O2 minus, bond order decreased by 0.5. Why there is an increase in the bond order in O2 plus? Because highest electrons, outer electrons in oxygen molecule are in antibonding orbital. If they would have been bonding orbital, then bonding strength will decrease, no, by removal of electron. So bond order will decrease. And in case of the negative ion, if outer electrons are in the bonding orbital, then if space is in the bonding orbital, then bond order will increase. But here whatever the case is there, that we have to accept. O2 plus increase in bond order because outermost electrons are antibonding molecular orbitals. O2 minus decrease in bond order because outermost electrons are there in antibonding molecular orbitals in case of neutral molecule, oxygen molecule. Let us talk about last ion, peroxo ion, O2 minus 2. O2 minus 2 means how many electrons are taken or accepted or received by oxygen? 2 electrons. So already 16 electrons oxygen has. In that 2 electrons are added. 18 electrons. So where will 17 electron go? As I discussed, will go in pi star to px. And where will 18 electron enter? In pi star to py. So pairing of electron will take place. What about its bond order? Number of bonding electrons are not changing. Those will remain 8. Antibonding electrons will be added by 2 relative to the oxygen molecule. So 6 electrons will be there in antibonding molecular orbitals. 4 will be in pi star to px and pi star to py, and 2 are in sigma star 2s. So what will the bond order? 8 minus 6 divided by 2 is equal to 1. Yes, bond order is decreased by number 1 in case of O2 minus relative to O2. Yes, O2 minus decreased by 0.5. O2 minus 2 decreased by further 0.5. It's total decreased by 1. So shortly we'll understand number of charge on the oxygen will help us to directly calculate. In case suppose O2 minus 3 would have been there, then decrease by further 0.5, decrease by 1.5, means 0.5 would have been the order. If O2 minus 4 would have been there, just example I am saying, bond order will be 0. It will be electronic configuration of neon. Charge will be there. Yes. In case of O2 minus 2, is there any unpaired electron? No. So magnetic property, diamagnetic. It will be diamagnetic in nature. So among these all O2, O2 plus, O2 minus, O2 minus 2, we found O2 minus 2 is diamagnetic in nature. All others are paramagnetic in nature. So it's a beauty of molecular orbital theory which can describe the other ions also. It is a one way of description of ions. Other possible explanation is different ions during combination only have to consider. Means if you have to consider O2 plus, then one where means left side I will consider atomic orbitals of oxygen. Right side I will consider atomic orbitals of O plus and their combination will result O2 plus. Let me describe this more clearly by electron distribution. The representation for electron distribution or electron configuration for oxygen molecule is in front of you. In oxygen molecule, in inner orbital in KK shell 4 electrons, sigma 2s 2 electron, sigma star 2s 2 electron, pi 2px and pi 2py both have the same energy. In each orbital 2 electrons, sigma 2pj 2 electron, pi star 2px and pi star 2py both have the same energy. In each orbital there is a 1 electron and sigma star 2pz 0 electrons. I represented here non-bonding monocentric orbitals but are the part of molecule by green-blue coloration and electrons present in them also by green-blue coloration. All bonding, anti-bonding molecular orbitals I represented by white color. Electrons in bonding orbitals by white color and electrons in anti-bonding orbitals by yellow color. Here, where is outermost electron? Outermost electron is in pi star 2py or one can consider pi star 2px because both are degenerate. Now I want to obtain ion, say O2 plus. Then while forming O2 plus, electron from which orbital will be removed? Yes, maybe pi star 2px or pi star 2py. Let me remove electron from pi star 2py. So its electronic configuration, see, outer electronic configuration. Electron is there in only pi star 2px. So anti-bonding electron is lost. So anti-bonding nature will decrease. One electron is equivalent to 0.5 for bond order. If anti-bonding decreases there, bond order will increase by 0.5. So bond order for O2 plus was 2.5. And magnetic property paramagnetic because of one unpaired electron in pi star 2px orbital. I hope now the concept is more clear. Then think O2 minus means one electron is received. Where will that one electron go? There is a space in the pi star 2px or pi star 2py. Both are degenerate. So in any of the orbital it will pair. But let us consider it pairs in the pi star 2px orbital. Pi star 2px 2 electrons will be there and pi star 2py only 1 electron. Addition of electron is in which kind of orbital? Bonding or anti-bonding? Anti-bonding. Because of entry of electron anti-bonding orbital, bond order will increase or decrease? Should decrease. By how much quantity? Half of the number of electrons. How many electrons are entered? Extra. 1 electron extra. So bond order will decrease by 0.5. So relative to oxygen whose bond order is 2, bond order of O2 minus will be 1.5 less. Magnetic property, one unpaired electron in the pi star 2p orbital. Because of that, it is paramagnetic in nature. Now think about last ion, O2 minus 2. Means in oxygen molecule, I have to add 2 electrons. Where will first electron enter? It will pair in pi star 2px and second electron will pair in pi star 2py. So outer electronic configuration, if I have to see, pi star 2px2 is equal to pi star 2py2. So relative to oxygen, 2 electrons are added. Where are they added? Anti-bonding orbital. As per our previous logic, each electron in anti-bonding orbital will decrease the bond order by 0.5 and each electron in bonding orbital will increase the order by 0.5. Or removal of electron from the anti-bonding orbital will increase the bond order by 0.5. Then just guess, removal of electron from bonding orbital will decrease the bond order by 0.5 because entry of electron in bonding orbital will increase the bond order. Entry of electron in anti-bonding orbital will decrease the bond order. Here, 2 electrons are added in the anti-bonding orbitals relative to oxygen. Oxygen has bond order 2. Because of 2 electron, bond order will decrease or increase? Decrease. By how much amount? Half of the electron. So 2 divided by 2, 1. So bond order will decrease by 1. So what will the bond order of O2 minus 2? 2 minus 1. 1 will be the bond order. What about magnetic property? All electrons are paired. Into px also pair is there, 2p also pair. All orbitals where electrons are there, those are with pair of electron. No unpaired electron. So that O2 minus 2 will be diamagnetic in nature. So magnetism and bond order quite properly explained by molecular orbital theory.
As a homework, whatever you have learned that you have to represent means you have to find bond order for O2 plus, O2 minus and O2 minus 2, as well as you have to predict their magnetism individually. So you can consider one molecular ion, say O2 plus, mention its bond order and magnetism. Similarly, O2 minus, bond order and magnetism. And last, O2 minus 2, bond order and magnetism in comment box. I am waiting for your answers.